What we do here is go back.
Hi, my name is Liz.
And my name's Mark.
Welcome back to Middle Minute News.
I may seem familiar to you, that's because I was a host last year.
And I might be new to you, as I have never been on Middle Minute News.
We will
be your hosts for this semester. First, we have Eric with sports.
Welcome to the Middle Minute News Sports section. I'm your host, Eric Twig. Today, we will be taking a look at what has happened, or is happening this week, I should say. First off, the middle school soccer team plans to have their first game at home with a home opener this Friday. Go Hilltoppers. Second off, the middle school cross-country team will be playing a meet later today at 4 p.m. versus St. Peter's Central Catholic. Go Hilltoppers again. Lastly, the middle school flag football team will be playing a game versus Rivers today. They will be playing at Gaskill Field at 3:45 p.m. The original plan was for quarterbacks Amias, Halchiari, and Eric to split time half by half in the game, but with Chiari out with a thumb injury, Tway will likely be able to play the full game. However, I disagree. I've seen Amias throwing a touchdown since first time since his injury to Howie during recess day. Yeah, so I wish him a speedy recovery and go Hilltoppers.
Now we have Molly with clubs.
This year's clubs are Puzzle Club, Fashion Club, Crafts Club, Eliminating Frisbee Club, Comic Club, Ping Pong Club, and Bomb. All these clubs will be featured in a future episode. This week's featured club is Puzzle Club. Puzzle Club is a club where everybody does puzzles, Sudoku, and other puzzle-like things. They want to have fun and make puzzles. I think it's a great way to have fun and relax. Thank you for listening to Middle Minute News. Have a great day.